Alright, hey guys, I am just doing a quick video on how you can figure out how much equity you have. I have my son here to help, and I'm going to be teaching him as well because he has no idea. So here we go. Alright, so here I am going to go ahead and explain this to you. Equity, how much do I have? Okay, so let's assume the home values. What are homes going around here for? Like probably 200,000 to 300,000, 400,000. Let's pretend our home value is 400,000, okay? So 400,000 is the home value, okay? Actually, I'm gonna have you write that out. Okay, so 400,000. Okay, let's assume our mortgage, we have a mortgage on the home, and we owe about, what's realistic? Let's see. Well, let's say we've been in the home for a while, and now we owe about 290,000 on the home, okay? So I'm gonna have you write that down, 290,000.
Right here?
Yep. We'll say 200,000, it's okay. Okay, so we have our home value, 400,000. We have our mortgage loan balance at 200,000. And let's pretend that we don't have any second liens on the home, like home equity loans, home equity lines of credits, solar panel loans, other types of loans, which if you do, you're gonna wanna calculate that in your figures. Anticipated closing costs here with this refi. So let's anticipate we're gonna accumulate like about 15,000 with closing costs, okay? So anticipated costs, we'll put 15,000. We're gonna pretend we don't have any second liens on the home, okay? You have your calculator?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see how we figure out how much equity I have and how much we're able to take out of the home now, okay? So grab that calculator. Can you put it down here so I can see? Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is how we're gonna figure this out, okay? So we have a home value. Normally banks and a lot of institutions will use 80%. So we're just gonna use 80% right now is how much you can take out of the home, okay? I had covered that in my other video. So we'll say 400,000. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna start with our home value, okay? So 400,000 times 0.8. Okay, so that's our equity. That's 320,000, okay? So 320,000 is what we have to work with. But obviously we owe a couple things. We owe the mortgage loan balance. We want to do some home improvements on the home. You know, we'll say we have credit card debt or whatever the case may be, okay? First things first, we got to take the mortgage loan out of the equation plus your anticipated closing costs. So what's 200 plus 15,000?
215,000.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to subtract 215,000, okay? One more zero. Okay, so 105,000 is what we have to work with. That's our equity. So this is basically the amount that you are able to use to pay off those credit cards, to do home improvements, whatever the case may be. And hopefully that was a very simple explanation here. Other than that, thank you for helping me. I appreciate that. I hope that was very interesting to you.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.